Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into advanced testing techniques and coding practices that lead to cleaner, more maintainable code. This will be a comprehensive tutorial covering various aspects, from advanced testing strategies to code organization and design principles. Table of Contents *. 1. Introduction. Why go beyond basic testing? 2. Advanced testing techniques. * 2.1. Property-based testing. * 2.2. Mutation testing. * 2.3. Integration testing, beyond basic. * 2.4. End-to-end, E2E, testing. * 2.5. Contract testing. * 2.6. Performance testing. * 2.7. Chaos engineering. 3. Code cleaning strategies and design principles. * 3.1. Solid principles. * 3.2. Dry, don't repeat yourself.